Come thou Almighty King, help us thy name to sing, help us to praise. Father all glorious, or all victorious, come and reign over us, Ancient of Days. Come thou incarnate Word, gird on thy mighty sword, our prayer attend. Come and thy people bless, and give thy word success. Spirit of holiness, on us descend. Come, Holy Comforter, thy sacred witness bear in this glad hour. Thou who almighty art, now rule in every heart, and near from us depart, Spirit of power. To the Great One entreat, eternal praises be, hence evermore. His sovereign majesty may we in glory see, and to eternity love and adore.